you ready? Not at all. Let's go!
It's the next day, Sunday, last day of driving. I'm gonna go out there and try to get a couple more laps in. But I really would like to get some tandems in and just dial it in. My entry's getting better. Still not the most confident with it in the world, but I'm just gonna keep trying to throw it. And I think a big part of making that entry work is just throwing more speed. Into the entry to where I'll float into the bank a little bit better, because the bank will cause you to scrub so much speed really fast. So if I stay in it longer, I think it'll have a better outcome. Maybe I'll go off course, maybe I'll break some, I don't know, we'll find out. First runs of the day, and Seth was running my new tap there. Come over here, man. That's what I call doors right there. Yeah. I'm trying to get some follow runs in. I need to switch tires, tire pop, and I'm trying to get on some doors myself, you know what I'm saying? You drive, bro?
Dude,
Did you drive?
I drove.
How'd it go with the whole injury?
It was painful. I can't do left turns. Maybe I'll get into NASCAR.
No corrections. You just gotta...
Look, they're running in reverse.
Oh my god. Does this happen to everybody else, or is this shit just me? That one. I can't imagine. You were probably sitting there like, oh damn.
Yeah, I straight up. I like got up and out of my seat over to you. Almost on your lap. That was good, dude. That was really solidly saying.
My engine's definitely ticking.
Bro, I tapped.
But we're gonna keep going.
Yeah, hell yeah, we're gonna keep.
Right, he said that's what I did to the side of his car.
Look at the other damn.
Just rub the entire side.
This is what hit us. That's what moved us out of our seats.
Bro, that was a hell of a run.
Hey, the driver's side door. or two that scared the out of me. Woo! When they don't set the course up like you thought, that was.
Dude, and I'm not gonna remember that.
I know,
don't
right?
remember what the
I didn't remember it. That was terrifying.
Bro, I had no idea where the we were going.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, what?
That was terrifying. Holy shit. Let's go again. There you go. Like that. I told you, that left-hander, you gotta aim for the cones when you come out. Because it gets you all the way out.
Dude, I aimed at him, I was like, bang. I could go way. I want to kick one.
Yeah, I know.
I could do it.
It's the outer apex, and then you can just use throttle all the way around the
I actually really like that configuration.
Yeah, it's sick, right?
All right. I'm doing a competition. I probably shouldn't be, but we're gonna send it, boy. This event is so laid back, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So like, why not do it today? Why not sign up for?
It was honestly super last minute. They just announced it a couple hours ago. They were like, well, everyone keeps asking for it. They want to do a little friendly competition, so they just put up a board, and you guys came up and signed up?
Yeah, I didn't even sign up. Kyle, I had Kyle do it for me, but yeah, I was like, just put my name.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Show them some of the cars.
Yeah. So I'm going
First
against.
car, one JZ swapped Laurel. Second car, one JZ X90.
Oh, Kyle!
IS300.
I'm gonna get straight chopped up out here. Sheesh.
Which I always run competitions at every single one of my events because I think it's fun and that's what makes drivers better. Everybody understand? Anybody have any questions? Are you ready? Probably ready. Not at all.
What the heck is that?
Meet me in the end.
First comp ever.
You're a failure. You failed.
I have no. The second was not there.
Yeah.
I tried 5 times.
Yeah. Alright, we're doing it one more time. Attaboy.
So I lost the comp. No surprise. I'm really actually annoyed by my driving, but whatever. I'm gonna go get some more seat time.
Fuck. Damn it! Well, heard that one.
Same spot, bro.
Transition, boys.
This car, man. How many of these corner lights am I gonna have to buy, dude?
2 more.
Yeah, I was like, fuck, I should let off. No, stay in it.
Nope.
Boink.
That was my bash bar.
Yeah, what hit on yours?
Dash bar.
It was crazy. Oh my god.
Oh. Damn.
I just see this shit shatter and go over me. I'm like, oh.
You guys can see that,
bro.
Freaking smacked the worst spot.
Can I run it? Yours feels good? I feel fine. It's been a lot of fun. I'm about to go out for the last runs of the day. I don't know if the camera will make it that long. I'm running out of battery. Try to bring you along for it. This has been an amazing weekend. Unreal experience out here at Affinity Circuit. The guys out here are really awesome. Really gave me a look into true grassroots drifting, and just, it's crazy. It also highlighted so many things that I need to work on in my car and as a driver. Good learning experience. The car is pretty beat up, but that's what I came here to do. So all in all, amazing time. Let's go finish it off. You want to lead on this first one, then I'll lead the next?
Smoking 2 J's in the Toyota. Next verse coming through the Motorola. Dig me? Pulled over now just to fill the quota. Tapping on my fender, dog searching for aromas.
When I was young, all I wanted was some romaine. Fuck a bad bitch, no names. We was rolling deep, 20 whips, smoking propane. Blowing by them ratchets cause they rotate.
Yeah, I get the flexing, all my wheels looking like one piece. Your bitch on OnlyFans selling that lunch meat. My pen game tougher than bare teeth. This shit bump harder than a line out your house key. Look, girly in the front seat, I don't fly out. My kids dancing in the walls like the hype house. I'ma say the funny shit, just get it typed out. If it got your eyes wide, then I call it highbrow.
That's the shit we was bumping. I'll get wild, get the jumping. That's the shit bumping. I'll get wild, get the jumping.